tell her. If now you go well, maybe one day that one go day house, one day they'll go bring her. She dey, you know waiting. Do you know this life? If you want to respect people, me I be person way be say sometimes people go even call me safe. The way when I'll tell you answer, they'll say, mama, you dey sleep. I'll say, no, I know they sleep. You understand? I'll say, no, I know they sleep. I'll say, your voice don't be like who they sleep. I be person way be say, I always like to they talk calm. Well, women, my so. So but we know they shout like that. You know, there's some people so that's their family. Their family no I have brought in up. Do you understand? If I ask her something, I say, mama, I think say you dey sleep. I say, no, I don't dey sleep. We just talk like that. You know when this stupid girl call me for grace on. You know, say some people they are very stupid. They think that saga, when they do me, they use saga, just they say, if I don't finish, come on for. Did you see me? Sometimes when I do my saga, the next minute, I don't delete her. Yes, if you give me, I give you back. Yes. When Grace, you know what thing? Grace useless today, oh. Grace useless forever, oh. Now love it, now he keep Grace platform. Now can't help them finish her. I can't keep the platform. If the woman gets sense now, may you come back again. Come back to your platform again. I tell you, say, anything when you pull hand, Grace, I will use a tell to wear mechanic for relocate, where mechanic for disappear. You know, say, grant where mechanic for disappear. No grass, they grow for there. Oh, yeah, like baby. I will use a platform to road off the death. Where dead people they go now. So I will use a platform. I am ready for Grace 24 hours. I told you that I am going to vote. You can never better for your life. If you feel better, you will not say, no be that igwebe, no be for con. You will not say, no be igwebe for con. You don't dare me and go cost free. You can never go free. You no go free. You know, say, when una start this thing, when Monica Lobolobo tell now, Monica Lobolobo say, hey, you not go fit do lovely something, he go leave you. The one way go do you back, he go hard. I go hit you hard. But no be me go hit you hard. Or one make you hit you way hard. I swear, Grace, now mad person, I go stab you. If you know fit happen, you go no say, oh your mason, hey your le make him. You go regret the day when you step on my toes. You think say, I just keep quiet, they look you. I know they go native doctor. I don't want to use native doctor if they fight you. I not be product of native doctor. Me, I get what they protect me. I will use it to fight you. Do you know? When this matter settle, a pa settle this matter, a pa call me, settle this matter, I delete everything. He still call me. As he call me, you know, there is some people, they have one stupid character. They don't respect themselves to even respect somebody when you there. You know, there's some people when you try to respect them sometimes, they go to say you they fear them. They don't know that everybody need to give each other respect. We are doing live video sometimes now. When they do live video, you feel see her for ground. You say, lovely. You know how many people don't see me for a start down. They'll say, mama, lovely. Oh, sister, lovely. Now you be this one. They'll say, say as you cool for ground. That one when they do for a video now play, you just they play. You know, when he call me, I can't talk to her. I don't call they shout because if another person call her like that, or I so me, I don't fear anybody. Me, I don't fear. I don't respect. I don't get respect for anybody. No, you have to get respect to. You have to give people respect. Now English people called respect is a reciprocal. You have to respect people. Then when she called me, I respect her because maybe when she called me when I was talking to her. She even surprised, say, oh, I they talk to her. I don't even know, say, now with the Grace, they do that rubbish. I don't even know, say, now with Grace, they do that rubbish. I always say, me, no, say, now you with Grace, they do that rubbish. I will not pick your call because you're not rich. Now come pick your call. Now he begged me. He begged me. Now say, the woman too, they collect. Why they collect like that? No good. Why they use the name of the Lord in vain? Why they deceive people? He say, she go torture her. She go talk to her and I say, okay. But I not shout for her. Because I give her that respect, she can't feel say maybe I dey fear her. She don't know say I dey fear throw respect give human being. When I throw respect to you, you no need am. As I dey throw that respect to you, now I will take her back. Yes, I will hold on like this. Then you say you get sense. After everything don't go, we don't finish. Grace raise the issue again. If you be person when you go school, you call people illiterate. You call people they are not educated. You call people mugu. I have learned you. I have seen that you are a very useless human being. Now you can't be the illiteracy we will get for Facebook. The worst illiterate that I've never seen on this Facebook. Then as we talk, Grace, I delete Grace, everything come on for my page. If you are a responsible somebody, if you read the educate that you went to school, as Grace bring this matter, you will tell Grace that we settled this matter. Why do you want to raise this issue again? You go even go give Grace advice. You will give Grace advice. This matter is already settled. There is no need bringing it up again. Forget this issue. Don't bring it up again. But you say you that is begging for Grace. Say you, they raise the topic. How can that work? That faithful day, I called on you. I called for your video that day. I told you this matter where they said to feel and see carry come. If you be that person when you really get something for here, if you have something up here, waiting for Tegre say this matter, we don't settle and finish. I no go use and take do life again. Go they do what you they do. Grace carry the matter come. You see carry Grace, you carry and you they raise her. Then why did you beg the first time? Why did you? Peace of the Lord be with you. You see her? Another thing what they do again, where they park, where whether now ground where they dig go, even they say that ground safe to see how God no go take punish you now. Even they say that ground safe, say now person that they bury for there. Una not even know whether now person they bury for there. Una not even know what they there. Where sand for mama, where sand for mama. Now they carry out there they say, hey, lovely, come see your mama grave, lovely, come see your mama grave. My mama grave not there that compound. My mother grave cannot be in that compound. If you be Isha woman, you go marry, or you no marry, or you with the man day. Una born and no marry, or una marry, or whatsoever. You can't divorce if you for Ishan. Now your family house, now that they carry you go. They don't bury Ishan women, don't they bury them for outside. Don't they bury Ishan women for outside. Don't they, I still there here, please don't talk. Yeah. And they use them now. Make I wear that 5 years. Wait, don't come and show here. Go and put juice inside a brew for me. Go and put juice. You know? If you see my lovely grave, that's a may more book where you with him. You may that got a wife, but my mother, as other women take trade, take care of their children. Now, so my mother take trade, take care of her children. Hey, I got your lovely mama grave. Why you don't see mama grave? How they be the way for you? May you show grave. They only the building where they for bury mama. I will show you the building. And if they show you the building, they go they speak my language put for inside. May you know say na my place. Now they go. Now my place they did. Give me make I put on. See you later. Go and play with your this thing. You not be your mama. Go. What? Go and play with your what do you call it? PlayStation. Okay, you tired. You are tired to play. Then go and sleep. It's time for you to sleep.
To play on PlayStation.
Okay, you are tired to play with PlayStation. Yeah. What do you want to play with? My phone. Do you think I'll give you this phone? I'm not giving you again. I've told you before. The one you guys spoil is not to one. Don't talk in my distance. If I finish, I'll give you, use it to play just 30 minutes before you sleep. This thing is chill. Kai, I hear am for head. You know? You gotta say, you want to show your mama grave for? I want to show your mama grave. I say, when you want to see mama grave? I'm not buried here, maybe by. My mother was not buried outside. My mother inside has not there for burial. Yes. I don't even know where to now look house. People they die leave house. People they die leave property. Why do you always fight of property? And that one they play 40 video that day. That was if he had no correct. He said lovely husband carry goat for back. Lovely husband carry cow for back. Lovely husband carry yam for back. You know if you get wetin they talk. Wetin they talk, you know make sense. If you not dey fool na self, I know they know so na dey fool na self. If you see that teeth wey get teeth, not be teeth e break comot. The teeth wey teeth for break comot. Akpan kan, ring akpan. You people should stop. If you want the tease person, I can tease you. But wait in my eye don't reach how they talk. But another one, we know that one say, yes, that one now. My one only. My money fear. We can talk that one at any time. You feel we go bring a bed for a yelala. We know. Fear all let you not go. And you want to go. That's also four. I go there for. Why for? Who? The one you are most before. I don't talk about them. Oh, people say my guy there. My guy, come look something regardez. Now the love of Papa house be this one. You dey see her? You see house? Over no girl one. See house. See. Eru furi liki wokun. Okun awa mwe camera ni ji. Oh. Go wa gege yaragi. You know, 30 something children abroad. Hi, love it. Jesus. Go wa. How? Well, now not see where the house they leak. See. Now see for inside house where house they leak. Hey, see house they leak, my man. Hey, now this one I ain't people they call on Lara. Hey, Jesus Christ. We need to play it if now this once in a while. Let me just use it to end. Oh wow, review your nothing. See. This has been with coronavirus. What put? Let me read your comment. Wait, you said this house one couple coronavirus for phone, please. It don't do. If you thought this one in law, I will not block you. If I do live video finish, I'll call you back. Go put you see. Well, I see where see roof. See roof. Hey, see roof. Yeah, this guy be like say me I help you just carry the video and well. Hey, see. Good. Yeah, luo le va le ya. Oh meme. Toilet itself will not even better pass this one. Where it's a toilet in America, where we can na. Do you know what? Toilet house. You don't see the way one you both build toilet, they do pots. That is pot toilet. You know, a toilet is the most beautiful place on this earth where we say we're supposed to even stay. Now, when you know say when you go to toilet, you know say you get some kind of shit when you go to the shit self, you go they do like this. You don't relax for there. If a toilet should be like this thing when you go there, those big giant fly, you go there, you say me put number, my number dead there, my number pinna. You just tap on. You will see my number dead there. If you want to call you, you can call you now. Advice. Now we want to give to people when they talk lie. We have to give advice to people when they talk lie. She is so